Students, welcome to all. Today we are going to see the continuation of the lesson Matchbox. In the last two classes, we have seen what Matchbox is, how Matchbox is compared to women. Isn't it? It was written by Ashapurna Devi and it's a short story and it was translated by Prajanjit Gupta. Isn't it? Here, how Matchbox is compared to women. And it was given as a story about Ajit and Nomita. Here a washerman is coming to Ajit's house to get the dirty clothes. Here at that time Nomita is going to her room and was collecting the dirty clothes of Ajit. At that time she was seeing a letter in Ajit's pocket. How the letter seemed to be a twisted, crumbled letter and it was kept in his pocket, isn't it? So here when Nomita saw the letter in Ajit's pocket, she was very angry because the letter came in Nomita's name. Then why Ajit didn't give the letter to Nomita? And the letter came before 3 days ago. Then why? Why Ajit didn't give? He didn't mention once to Nomita. Here Nomita is saying that it's a deliberate one. It's a casual one. He used to do like this. Why? Here her veins and nose, that a flame that daub in, okay, the flame that daub in veins and nose of Nomita. Here we have seen that about Ajit family. Here Ajit family is a joint family and there are 26 members are there with 52 hands, and out of that 26 person, here who got the chance to open the letter box? Ajit. And so whenever a letter to Nomita, here Ajit opened that letter and read that. Okay, so that made Nomita very angry. Now let me see what's happening. Okay, here she sits perfectly still for a minute and reads the letter thorough. It's nothing much a letter from Nomita's mother. Okay, so here the letter came from Nomita's mother. Then why didn't he give that letter? Let me see that in the next paragraph. It's her standard speech. The good woman has once again placed on the record the news of her various hardship and complaints getting worse, misfortune upon misfortune. The ceiling of her room is cracked and the rainwater falls through in ceaseless stream. If this is not immediately remedied, she will have to die crushed under the weight of the collapsed roof. Here, of course, she does not dread that eventuality. Her daughter is a queen, her son-in-law high-minded, large-hearted, therefore, etc. So here what's given? It's her standard speech. Here, whenever Nomita's mother used to write a letter, she used to write the complaints or the hardship that's in her house. Okay? Here listen, it's her standard speech the good woman has once again placed on the record of the news of various hardship and complaints getting worse. Here what are the complaints and the hardship and which are getting worse? These are the things that was written in the letter. Here misfortune upon misfortune, here unlucky. Here misfortune here meaning unlucky. The ceiling of her room is cracked and the rainwater falls through in ceaseless stream. So the ceiling of her room is cracked. Okay, in mother's house the ceiling of the room that was cracked. Villal vannittund. And the rainwater falls through in ceaseless stream. Here ceaseless here meaning stopless stream. So if there is any rain, what will happen? The water will come through that crack in a ceaseless stream. Okay, here ceaseless here meaning stopless stream. അരുവി പോലെ നിർത്താതെ എന്താണ് ആ വെള്ളത്തിന്റെ അത് കൂടെ വെള്ളം വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. Here the ceiling is cracked. Okay. Here if this is not remedied, immediately remedied. Here what is the meaning? If this is not immediately remedied, ഇത് എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ ശരിയാക്കിയിട്ടില്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ what will happen? Let me see. She will have to die here crushed upon the weight of the collapsed roof. What will happen? The roof will collapse and she will die under that. Who will die? Mother will die under the cracked roof. Here collapsed roof. Okay. So here she will have to die crushed under the weight of the collapsed roof. Here due to the weight of the collapsed roof she will die. Who will die? Mother will die. So that is the complaint of mother in the letter. Okay. So here of course she does not dread that eventuality. She does not worry of that death. She was not worried of the death. Her daughter is a queen and her son-in-law high-minded and large-hearted. So here daughter is a queen. Here Nomida, what about Nomida's family? Here Nomida mother is a widow. No brothers. So here she is a middle class family. She belongs to a middle class family, Nomida. But Ajit is a sounded here. He is a high class family. Okay, Ajit is a high class family. So here her daughter is a queen now. Now her daughter is a queen. And the son-in-law high-minded and large-hearted. അങ്ങനെ വളരെയധികം വിശാലമായിട്ടുള്ള മനസ്സിലൊരു വ്യക്തിയാണ് അജിത്ത് എന്നാണ് ഇവിടെ നൊമിതയുടെ മദർ പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പോ നൊമിത ഒരു ക്വീനെ പോലെയാണ്. And son-in-law, what she said about son-in-law, എന്താണ് മരുമകനെ കുറിച്ച് പറയുന്നത്? large-hearted and high-minded person. Okay, so here that is the complaint that was a letter. Okay, that was the complaint in the letter of Nomida's mother. Okay, next one, an indigent widow. Here indigent widow, what is the meaning of indigent? A poor widow. Who is the poor widow? Here Nomida's mother is a indigent widow. Here without husband or son, so no one to look after her. Okay, so no one to look after her, no husband and son. Okay, so here she was successful in signing her daughter to a wealthy family's house on the strength of looks alone. Here she was successful in consigning her daughter. She was successful in giving her daughter to a wealthy family house on the strength of looks alone. Okay, what is the meaning of looks alone? She was very beautiful. Who was very beautiful? Nomida was very beautiful. That's why Ajit married her. Okay, here due to the beauty of Nomida, Ajit married her. So now Nomida was living like a queen. Okay, here she was successful in consigning her daughter. Here consigning here meaning giving her daughter to a wealthy sounded family. Okay, നല്ലൊരു പൈസ ഉള്ള വ്യക്തി ഒരു കുടുംബത്തിലേക്കാണ് മകളെ പറഞ്ഞയച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. എങ്ങനെയാണ് അങ്ങനെ എത്തിപ്പെട്ടത് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ, നൊമിത നല്ല ഭംഗിയുള്ള ഒരു കുട്ടിയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെയാണ് ഇവിടെ എന്താണ്, നൊമിതനെ ആര് കല്യാണം കഴിച്ചു? അജിത്. ഓക്കെ, so here in consigning her daughter to a strength of looks alone, but the good lady has never stopped taking credit as the slightest opportunity for her skill in the matter. But the good lady has never stopped taking credit. So here Nomida's mother was always writing some complaints or hardship in the letter for getting some money from her son-in-law. Okay, from her son-in-law. So that make irritation in Ajit. Okay, അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അജിത്തിന് എന്താണ് വലിയൊരു അഭിപ്രായം, നല്ലൊരു അഭിപ്രായം ആരെ കുറിച്ചിട്ടില്ല? നൊമിതയുടെ മദറിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ട് ഇല്ല. കാരണം എപ്പോഴും എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ ആവശ്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് എന്തെങ്കിലും പൈസക്ക് ആവശ്യപ്പെടുകയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അജിത്തിന് വലിയൊരു നല്ലൊരു സ്വഭാവമായിട്ട് ഇവിടെ ആരെ കരുതുന്നില്ല? നൊമിതയുടെ മദറിനെ കരുതുന്നില്ല. ഓക്കെ, so here, and she has been finding such opportunities all along. Here she has been finding such opportunities. അങ്ങനത്തെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ചാൻസസ് കിട്ടുമോ എന്ന് കാത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു രീതിയാണ് ഇവിടെ നൊമിതയുടെ മദർ കാണിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സ്ലൈറ്റസ്റ്റ് ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ചെറിയ ഒരു ചാൻസ് കിട്ടിയാൽ ആ പേരും പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ കത്ത് എഴുതിയിട്ട് പൈസക്ക് ആവശ്യപ്പെടുന്നു. So here, but the good lady has never stopped taking credit and at the slightest opportunity for her skill in the matter. And she has been finding such opportunities all along, for all the times. She was making some chances or opportunities for getting money. Okay, next one. Whenever Ajit sees a new letter from Nomida's mother, so whenever he was getting a letter from Nomida's mother, what he is doing? He was reading that letter and not giving to Nomida. So what will happen if he give the letter to Nomida? എന്താണ് ഉണ്ടാവുക? ആ കത്ത് നൊമിതയുടെ കയ്യിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്താവും? Nomida will ask Ajit to send her some money. അപ്പോൾ എന്തായാലും നൊമിത എന്താണ് ആവശ്യപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ടാവുക? അജിത്തിനോട് എങ്ങനെയെങ്കിലും മദറിന് കുറച്ച് പൈസ അയക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ആവശ്യപ്പെടും അല്ലെ? അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഇവിടെ അജിത്ത് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല? ആ കത്ത് ആരുടെ കയ്യിൽ കൊടുക്കുന്നില്ല? നൊമിതയുടെ കയ്യിൽ കൊടുക്കുന്നില്ല. Okay, can you understand? So here, whenever Ajit sees a new letter from Nomida's mother, he smiles derisively and says, derisively, he was smiling whenever he was seeing the letter from Nomida's mother, he was seeing derisively. Here derisively here meaning പുച്ഛത്തോടു കൂടി നോക്കുകയാണ്. Here derisively here meaning പുച്ഛത്തോടു കൂടി ആ കത്തിനെ കാണുകയാണ്. Here and says, why bother to read that? I will go and fill out a money order form. There is no need of reading that letter. There is no need of reading that letter. Then what he was going to do? He was sending money through money order. Okay, so he has an concept about whom? Nomida's mother. She used to write letter for getting or asking money. So he was not reading the letter, and what he was doing? He was sending money through that money order. Okay. Nomida's head hangs low with the shame and the insult of it. So here Nomida, when she heard about her mother's, here not mother, Ajit opinion of mother, she seems to be insulted. Okay, she seems to be insulted. Okay, now let us wind up the class and can see in the next class. Thank you.